how to fix Google Calendar not syncing. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an issue that's been frustrating a lot of people when Google Calendar just won't sync. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. First, open up Google Calendar by going to calendar.google.com. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and enter your email and password. Once you're inside Google Calendar, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a section called My Calendars. Sometimes it's collapsed, so you may need to scroll or click to expand it. This area shows all the calendars you've created or have access to under your account. Now, find the calendar that's giving you trouble. Each one in the list has a checkbox next to it. If the box isn't checked, that means the calendar won't show up. So, go ahead and click the box to enable it. If it's already checked but still not syncing, try unchecking it and then checking it again. This little toggle can sometimes jumpstart the syncing process. Most of the time, that's all it takes to fix the issue. But if you've tried this and your calendar still won't sync, you may need to look deeper into your account settings or contact Google support for help. And that's it, a quick way to get your Google Calendar back in sync so you can stay organized without missing anything important. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.